Have you ever scrolled through social media and felt a pang of envy? Perhaps it's your friend's luxurious vacation photos, your colleague's brand new car, or a neighbor's extravagant home renovations. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking everyone else has their finances perfectly figured out, leaving you behind. But hold on, before you get discouraged and feel like a financial failure, let's unpack this feeling and explore why it might not be entirely accurate. If you're new to the channel, hit the like and subscribe button to get notification whenever new video is posted. Social media platforms are a carefully curated showcase of people's best moments. Imagine a highlight reel of their lives, showcasing exotic vacations, fancy meals, and expensive purchases. What you don't see are the late nights spent working extra shifts, the careful budgeting and sacrifices made to afford those experiences, and the credit card debt that might be simmering beneath the surface. People are more likely to share their successes and milestones than their financial struggles, creating a distorted view of reality. You're not seeing the whole picture, just a carefully crafted snapshot meant to project a certain image. Constantly comparing your financial situation to others is a recipe for unhappiness. It's a mental game that can leave you feeling inadequate and discouraged about your own progress. Everyone's financial journey is unique. Some people might have inherited wealth, received a hefty raise early in their careers, or simply started saving earlier. Others might be living paycheck to paycheck despite their seemingly glamorous social media presence. Focus on your own progress. Celebrate your financial wins, however big or small they may be. Did you stick to your grocery budget this week? Great. Did you manage to put a little extra towards your savings goal this month? Fantastic. These small victories add up and propel you closer to your financial objectives. That seemingly carefree friend with the constant travel updates might be racking up massive credit card debt to finance their adventures. Their carefree facade might come crashing down when the bills come due. Your colleague's new car could be leased with a hefty monthly payment, impacting their long-term financial stability and leaving them with little to show for it once the lease is up. The key takeaway? Appearances can be deceiving. Don't assume someone's financial health based on their outward spending. They might be living beyond their means and on the brink of financial instability, all for the sake of maintaining a certain image. Instead of comparing yourself to others and getting sucked into the social media vortex of envy, channel your energy into creating a solid financial plan. This is your personal roadmap to achieving your financial goals and building a secure future. Here are some steps to get you started. Become a budgeting ninja. Understanding where your money goes is the first step to taking control of your finances. Utilize budgeting apps or a simple spreadsheet to record your income and expenses for a month. Analyze your spending patterns with a critical eye and identify areas where you can cut back. Are you spending a significant amount on dining out? Maybe it's time to explore meal prepping or taking advantage of free or low-cost entertainment options. Every dollar saved is a dollar you can put towards your goals. Set SMART goals. Specificity is key. Do you want to save for a down payment on a house? Build your emergency fund? Achieve financial independence? Once you identify your goals, make them SMART specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Saying you want to save more money is too vague. Instead, set a specific goal like saving $500 per month for a down payment on a house in 2 years. Breaking down large goals into smaller, manageable steps will help you stay motivated and keep you on track. Prioritizing needs over wants. Remember, Maslow's hierarchy of needs applies to your finances too. Rent, utilities, groceries, and healthcare come first. Allocate enough funds to cover these basic necessities before considering wants or luxuries. There's nothing wrong with treating yourself occasionally, but prioritize your essential needs first to ensure your financial stability. Live within your means. Don't get caught in the upgrade trap. Lifestyle inflation is a sneaky thief that can derail your financial progress. Just because your income increases doesn't mean you need to spend more. Avoid impulse purchases and stick to your budget. Resist the urge to upgrade your lifestyle every time your income goes up. Focus on long-term goals and building wealth instead of succumbing to the pressure to keep up with the Joneses. Think about your future financial security, not just keeping up with appearances. Building wealth takes time and consistency. Building long-term wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't get discouraged if your progress seems slow compared to others. Consistency and discipline are key. Even small steps like saving a little every month can add up significantly over time. Here are some strategies to consider. Emergency fund. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses to cover unexpected costs like car repairs or medical bills. This financial buffer provides peace of mind and prevents you from resorting to high-interest debt in times of crisis. Retirement savings. Start saving early and contribute regularly to your retirement accounts, even if it's a small amount initially. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans with matching contributions if available. Compound interest is your friend. The earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to grow. Debt management. Develop a plan to pay off high-interest debt. Prioritize eliminating credit card debt due to its exorbitant interest rates. Consider debt consolidation or explore options to lower interest rates. Freeing yourself from debt will free up more money to save and invest in your future. Investing. Once you have a solid emergency fund and are making consistent contributions to retirement savings, explore investing options. Research different investment vehicles like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds that align with your risk tolerance and long-term goals. Consider seeking professional financial advice to create a diversified investment portfolio. Financial knowledge is power. Educate yourself about personal finance. Read books, listen to podcasts, or watch educational videos. The more you understand money management, the better equipped you'll be to make informed financial decisions. There are also free resources available from reputable institutions and government agencies. Financial literacy. Understanding basic financial concepts like budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management is crucial for building financial security. Dedicate time to improving your financial literacy and empower yourself to take control of your financial well-being. Beware of scams. Unfortunately, the world of finance is not without its pitfalls. Be cautious of get-rich-quick schemes and unrealistic investment promises. Research any investment opportunity thoroughly before committing any money. Free from comparison, free to thrive. Shift your focus from comparing yourself to others to creating a financial future that works for you. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small, and track your progress towards your goals. Did you finally pay off that credit card debt? Fantastic! Did you manage to increase your monthly retirement savings contribution? Great job! Every step forward brings you closer to your financial goals. Remember, social media is a highlight reel, not real life. Everyone's financial journey is unique. Focus on your own progress and create a solid plan. Building wealth takes time and consistency. Educate yourself and make informed financial decisions. By following these steps and adopting a healthy perspective, you can break free from the "everyone seems richer" syndrome and build a secure financial future you can be proud of. Remember, financial well-being is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the process, celebrate your victories, and stay committed to your financial goals. With dedication, knowledge, and a positive mindset, you can achieve financial security and freedom. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, hit the like and subscribe button to get notification whenever new video is posted.